but particularly on things like St. Patrick's Day and things like that in Chicago and Boston, things like that.
Well, we've just seen a quick glimpse of our Guardsman balloon that we were talking about earlier pass through the arena here. And now we're getting another performance. Next marching band performance coming in now. This is from the Wellington High School, Mighty Wolverine Sound.
Mighty Wolverines.
Wow.
Yes.
And where do they come from?
Don't mess with those Mighty Wolverines. They come from Florida, and they are all the way here in London to show off a little Florida pride.
Yeah, they come from West Palm Beach County, and they're a really good band. I wonder what they're going to be playing for us. Let's have a look and see if we know. Oh, it's a bit of Freddie Mercury.
Oh, love it.
Good, wasn't it?
They're having a good time. There's no question. I think they're having a great time. Yeah.
Well, I'm so pleased this band has finally made it, you know, because they wanted to come in 2021.
That's right.
They wanted to come in 2022. Finally made it here under the direction of the lovely Mary Oser, the Wellington High School Mighty Wolverine Sound marching band. What a good sound.
Well, the epitome of, you know, anything worth having is worth waiting for, and they've certainly waited a long time, holding their breath and getting ready to play for us today, the first day of 2023.
Absolutely. Well, last year, actually, they did get a little look in because they actually sent us a brilliant little film clip that we were able to play out in our arena show because they weren't able to be here in person for obvious reasons, but they sent that to us and it went down a storm. And I'm so pleased that they've been able to come in person and do that stuff.
Oh, yeah. They already had fans coming into today, so for them to actually be here in person really will mean something to each and every one of those kids.
They do it.
Yeah.
There's our cheerleaders.
There they are in their red, white, and blue. Of course.